Hello friends, welcome to SAS Food Blogs. How to make Ramzan special Methi Puri recipe. In this video, we are going to see how to make crispy and delicious Methi Puri perfect for Ramzan celebration. This easy and quick recipe uses fresh fenugreek leaves and aromatic spices to create a flavorful snacks that pairs perfectly with chutney or curd. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Ingredients for making Ramzan special Methi Puri: whole wheat flour, ajwain, hing, jeera, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, salt, methi leaves, water and oil. Take a bowl and add 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of ajwain and add half teaspoon of hing and add 1 teaspoon of jeera. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and add half teaspoon of red chilli powder and add half teaspoon of coriander powder and add salt as per your taste. Then add 1 cup of methi leaves and mix it well. Then add water as per your need and add oil as per your need and mix it well to form the dough. Divide the dough into equal size portions and roll each portion into a smooth ball. Pinch a small portion of the dough, roll it into a ball and then flatten it with a rolling pin to form a small disc. Heat oil in a deep pan or kadai for frying the puri and slide the flattened dough disc carefully into the hot oil. Continue fry it until the puri puffs up and turns golden brown color. Remove the puri from the oil using a slotted spoon and place it on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Repeat the process with the remaining dough. Methi Puri is ready to serve. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.